closing a loophole. Ohio's governor says anyone with a restraining order against them shouldn't have a gun.
Now John Kasich is pushing police and courts to report those people to a state database. Evan Millward is live with that change. Evan.
Yeah, Kristen and Craig, some law enforcement agencies are already automatically doing this. Others aren't. The same goes for courts in Ohio. Governor Kasich using an executive order to do this because he is frustrated with the lack of action by the legislature.
There's gaps in our system. That information that needs to be uploaded to those people who are gun dealers need to know who they should sell a gun to and who they shouldn't.
A statewide audit ordered by Governor John Kasich found those gaps. In many cases, names of people facing protection orders and warrants weren't getting into the statewide law enforcement database called LEADS. In fact, this report shows 136 law enforcement agencies weren't entering them. Many agencies report they just don't have the staff, time, or even access to the database. When names enter that state database, they are searchable through the national background check system too. But in Ohio, warrants, felony indictments, and protection orders are entered voluntarily. Governor Kasich says punishments for any group not reporting names could include fines or loss of access to the state database. Courts in the state are required to update the banned buyers list each month. 49% self-reported that they were. 9 on Your Side obtained the compliance report from the state today. No tri-state courts are considered non-compliant. A gap causing countless names to slip through.
We don't know exactly what the hole is, but there is a hole.
Now, courts have had to do this once weekly since '96. Kasich has been supporting a bill in the legislature now that would further change gun laws, going much further than this, including banning bump stocks and giving judges the power to temporarily take guns away from what they call potentially dangerous people. But that bill, House Bill 585, appears dead in the water.